Hello, everyone, and welcome back. It's been another week. Hard to believe it's been a week. But I have to report that the collective consciousness is so much better this week. Thank you. You guys are all doing your work. You are being the little light seeds you're meant to be. So, as we see, moving the energy, see, I have a little tourmaline in my hand today, grounding energy as we continue to feel this energy uh, moving through the planet and helping us get to this higher state of consciousness, you'll feel a lot better. The anger, the frustration will go away because the pandemic is not intended to create fear or to control masses. It is actually meant to increase consciousness. And I think we are doing that. And so we want to really focus on bringing love into the planet now that we seem to have gotten past all of that noise that we had for the last couple of weeks. And we're now into a more steady place of holding that light, of being that fulcrum of energy on the planet and seeding the light on the planet, which is what our job is. So, um, the more we do this, the easier it gets because things like the coronavirus only come around to help shape us, to help shift us, to help change us. And the more we do that, the faster we get through this little predicament humanity is in. So it's our job, as we say, to be the light. You can't be the light Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, guys. It has to be 24/7. So we're practicing, we're working on that. We're getting so much better and so good at it. So let's practice bringing that light in now. Now we're going to use that gold light again because that's that warm, cozy, yummy, protective light that comes from source. And we want to bring that in. And we bring it in through the top of our heads. And it just comes down through your body. And it feels so good. And it's relaxing and calming. So if you're feeling uptight, if you're starting to get caught into the cha-cha of what's going on in the planet, just bring that light in. Just fill yourself with that golden light because it nurtures you, it strengthens you, it reinforces your good, right? You know? So it gets you out of the cranky in a minute. If you get into a cranky space, I would not never do cranky. Actually, I don't do cranky for very long if I do cranky because I know to just I have an expression that I whack it out of me. Pat doesn't like the word whack. I do. But I do. I just kind of like get it out, and that's kind of my attitude towards it. So that I shift back and I go right back to center again. Anytime I have any feeling that is not on center, that is not love, because I don't want to feel anything else with love. Love is all I want, right? It's all we want. So let's do it. So let's be our little light seeds right now and bring that light in from the source, from the Father. Bring it into the top of your head. And just feel that nurture you, calm you. Bring it into your throat, into your lungs. Take a deep breath in and feel that light filling your lungs. Bring it down your arms and out your fingers. And let it continue down through your chest, into your belly, hips. Good. Into your thighs and your knees, calves, ankles, and your feet. Fill your feet up because you're a light seed and you're walking on this planet to help increase the consciousness of all humanity. And let that light go right out your feet into the earth to the mother where she helps to anchor you. She makes every step you take easier. and bring that light down into the grid system and feel yourself connected, heaven and earth. Now increase the velocity of that light. Let that gold light, that thick, yummy, viscous gold light come down through you and all the way out your feet, whoosh, into the earth, into the grid system. Good. Let it amplify. More. More. And now feel that light as you're bringing that light into the grid. And feel that love affect every human being on the planet. Because every person wants love. We all need love. It's the only thing there is. So let that light come through you into the earth and feel that love. And radiate that love through the earth to all of humanity. Good. And let it fill up that collective consciousness that we share. Good. And now bring that light down through you, another little whoosh. And let's connect to the grid and let's fill every creature on the planet, the biggest ones and the littlest little ant. Fill them with that light. Fill them with that love. Because we're part of that whole. We are all part of the earth. We are all beings of the earth. And together we can shift this collective consciousness into love-based, out of fear-based, into the love. Now bring more light in. Really bring it in now. Fill yourself up with that. Give yourself a big drink of that golden nourishment. Good. Feel yourself anchored, heaven and earth. Feel that energy. Feel yourself connected. Good. Now open your eyes and feel that so that you can be that light seed 24/7 with every step you take, with every word you speak, with every action. This is our job. And we're doing a darn good job. Congratulations. So, in another video, I talked about the empathic shield, which you can get a video of that on audio on my website. It's $1, you know. It's a short little meditation, but it teaches you how to bring the light down in and then back up and out the top of your head. I think we did that last time. And that creates that light cocoon that is that protective energy that you walk and talk in. So be the light, be the little light seed that you are, and walk the planet so that we can shift this collective consciousness, so that we can feel the love. Because the object of this virus is to help us grow. It is to take us out of fear. And we are growing, and we are doing our job. I think we're doing a great job. And I want to thank you because I actually get to sleep a little when we are doing a good job. So I hope you've enjoyed today, and I will see you again next week. And I love you all. Bye-bye.